Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up some of these heated socks. We're going to show you how to use them. Stay with us. Here we are. Battery powered heated socks. All right. See how we open these. Here we go. Charging cable. Looks like you can charge both batteries at the same time. The USB-C and the USB here. Okay. Instruction sheet. That's really all it is. Okay. Doesn't tell you about how long it takes to charge the battery. Well, let's get into this. Here's your socks, okay? That out of the way. 2 socks. Big, heavy socks. Wow. They got a pouch on the inside for the battery, and it says put the battery on the outside of your foot. So your left foot needs to go on the left side, the right foot needs to go on the right side, okay? Put those right here. Here's your batteries. There's 2 batteries in here. They have 3 different temperatures. There's your power on off switch. When you turn it on, tell you what, let's do. Let's plug it in. Right there's your plugging port. Plug it in. Right there. Turn your power on. Hold down for a couple seconds. All right. Can you see those? There's 3 lights there. That means all power. The high power is like 130 or 40, 131 degrees, then 113, 104. So push the power button again. It goes to 2. There's 2. Push it again, it goes to 1. That's your low temperature. Now there's a little pouch right here. You just plug it in into the pouch right there. That goes on the outside of your legs. This will go on the left foot. Now I'm not going to put this on for my wife. So let's just get down in here and see how this heats up, okay? Oh, it's getting warm. Yeah, I can feel it. You want to go higher on the temperature, push the button again. It'll go, you got 1, 2, and 3. Remember, it's number 1 is 104 Fahrenheit. 2 is 113 Fahrenheit. And 3 is 131. So there it is right there. All right. It's beginning to warm up. You can wear these in your boots, snowshoes, no skis, whatever you want to use. Okay. Let's pull this back out here. Pull the battery back out a minute. I think we're going to go up to all 3. See, all 3 buttons are lit up now. Put that back down in there like so. Cover it up. Take my ring off so it don't get caught on the sock. We'll put my hand down in there like it was my foot. Okay. Yeah, it's beginning to warm up. You can feel it warming up in there. The heat's right here on the bottom. Not anything on the top. It's on the bottom right through here. And of course, that'll heat the whole sock, I guess, and your foot and everything. So, yeah, that's getting warm. Woo! Pretty nice. I like that. Take it back off. When you're through with it, take your battery out right here. Hold the battery on off switch for about 2 seconds. See how all the lights went off? Unplug it. Put this back down in here, like so. Plug this one back down in that little pocket right there. All right. See how we do this. Right here, right here. Fold these back up like that. They fit back into your pouch right here, so you can keep up with them. Like that. You can close it back up. Squeeze all the air out of it. Oops. Now, put your battery back in your package here till you're ready to use it again. They claim that you need to do this every probably once a month or every other month, whatever. Now, do not wash the socks with the battery in it. You can wash the socks, but not with the battery in it. You'll ruin the battery and it won't work anymore. Here's your charger cable. It has two. You can charge both batteries at the same time. Right there. And it has a regular USB plug-in right there. You can plug it into your PC or your laptop, or the charger you use on your phone is a USB. Plug it in there and it'll charge it up. It shouldn't take too long. I would think an hour or maybe two the first time out. Doesn't really say, but there it is. I like these. These are pretty nice. I think my wife's going to like these. She's sleeping these. Just unzip it, pull your sock out like so. There it is. All right. Now there's a link in the description below to Amazon where you can find these. Go check them out. I'm an associate, Amazon associate, and if you go there and you click on the link, it takes you to Amazon. You can either buy these. If you don't want to buy these, you want to search for something else, go ahead, because anything you search for in 24 hours, anything you purchase, I get a small commission, and there's no extra cost to you, okay? Let's put this little guy back in here. Socks went, well, this went in first, the directions for whatever it is. That goes in right there. The charging cable goes in right on the side. Put the ring back on so I don't lose it. Put the battery back in here like this. Close down the box like so. There it is. Look how they show the fire there on that. That's pretty nice. It shows you here skiing. You can wear them there. You can wear them skating, camping, cycling, fishing, anywhere. Just remember, you do not want to get the battery wet in any way, okay? So don't wade in the water with them on. Get that battery wet, it's going to ruin them, and it could, you'll tell them what will happen if you get it wet, okay? All right, there it is. Check out the link in Amazon below where you can find these, all right? Go check out the playlist I have on the how-to. Lots more up there and a lot more coming. All right, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.